Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm in RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about syntactic processing. What is syntactic processing? It is a process of analyzing the grammatical structure of a sentence to understand its meaning, which focuses on analyzing the structure of the language according to formal grammar rules. It examines how words combine to form sentences, clauses, and sentences, phrases also, ensuring that the arrangement of elements follows the grammatical rules, how they relate to each other in order to give proper meaning of sentences. If we take one example to understand, so in this, let's take one more example. Like New York is the capital of the United States of America. Is the United States of America the of New York capital? If we observe closely, both sentences have the same set of words, but only the first one is grammatically correct and which have proper meaning. If we approach both the sentences with lexical processing technique, we can't tell the difference between the two sentences. Let's take one more example. The cat on the mat. This is the sentence is the cat sat on the mat, but there is a detecting the grammatical error in the cat on mat. So the output is the error due to missing verb. Now, what are the key aspects of syntactic processing? First one is grammar rules. It determines whether a sentence is grammatically correct, uses syntactic categories such as noun, verbs, adjectives, and their role, subject, object, or predicate. The second one is parsing. It constructs a syntactic tree, or you can say the parse tree, to represent the structure of a sentence. It also identifies the relationship between words, dependencies in dependency parsing. The third one is formal representation, which is the use context-free grammar, dependency grammar, or other formal models to describe syntax. This is it for syntactic processing in AI. We can keep learning more.